Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to share photos on Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. Now you need to select picture or pictures what you want to send. If you want to only one, just tap on it and then click share. Or we can select few photos and click share after that. So right here we have a lot of options. We can use some application to share it. You can click more and select it here. On Android you will have the list with the applications, and right here we can send it in Google Photos. We can create the link. The difference between iOS and Android with links that on Android, when you click at the link, it will copy the link. It will open the menu, so you can copy the link and you can share this link on some application. But on iOS, you click at the get link and you will have this link. Then you can check it also, this link in this sharing. So right here we have shared links, and then you need to paste this link somewhere or remove this link when you don't need it anymore. Just click at the trash icon near to your link and delete it. You can also share using messengers or using your contacts. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!